Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to remove your pronouns from your TikTok account. Whether you've decided to update your pronouns or prefer not to display them, we'll show you how to make the necessary changes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom drawer of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. Once you're on your profile, tap on the Edit Profile button. This will allow you to make changes to your profile information. Step 4. Look for the Pronouns section and tap on it. You'll see the pronouns you previously added. Remove all the added pronouns by deleting them. Once you've removed the pronouns, tap on the Save button to update your profile. Congratulations, you've successfully removed your pronouns from your TikTok account. Your profile will no longer display any pronouns, providing you with the flexibility to express your identity as you prefer. TikTok recognizes the importance of individual expression and allows you to customize your profile based on your preferences. Whether you choose to display pronouns or not, it's all about creating an authentic representation of yourself. Thank you for watching, and enjoy expressing your unique self through your TikTok profile.